So classic room.
Classic one, standard.
How many square meter?
Sorry, that?
How many square meter?
Square meter, this is 42 without terrace.
Still not bad.
It's a good size for 5 stars, a standard one.
No. So you give for clients what? Minibar is chargeable, right?
Minibar is on charge, sure. Normally we are putting soft drinks and some alcohols, basic standard. And then all of the setup of the coffee and the teas, that is refreshments every day for free.
The balcony is good.
Yeah. And this is legal.
But why you not put for sleep? No, sleep bed, no like in beach.
I mean, this is a big improvement. We are working in the brand in all of the resorts. We hope so that the next year we're gonna start with the chains, because we are under rent the property, and next year we are expecting to buy the property.
So you like this property? You like this property and want to buy?
Yeah, it's amazing.
No, this table is good.
I mean, the material is still 20 years, only. So 20 years it is good material. But now needs to a little bit change, some change.